What is it? Let's open it. He has big ears.
Shall we open these?
I wonder what's inside. Look who is here. Look, he can turn his head. He also has wheels. The mommy elephant is super soft. This is how you connect them.
Shall we see what the mommy elephant can do?
Aww. Mommy elephant.
She can really walk.
You want to connect to mommy. There's elephants. I want to climb on mommy's trumpet.
We are
Besties.